March is where legends are made, like the Wapahani Raiders of Selma, Indiana.
This is a homegrown team. These are all guys that I've coached since kindergarten and first grade. It's an incredible experience.
We grew up together, we're best friends, and we get along so well. I mean, we trust each other more than we trust anybody else.
Matt Luce's team advanced to last Saturday's 2A semi-state round, and preparations were business as usual until a tornado ripped through Selma Thursday night.
We tried to stay to our pattern and stay to our plan, but we got thrown off. We'd had practice, a team dinner. Many of our coaches were still at the team dinner. We just left a half hour before that. You just never think it's going to happen to you. That's the truth. We talked to each other, we met, we had a team meeting, and we just tried to keep it as simple as we could. We knew that our community was safe. We knew they would come together.
And that's exactly what the Raiders did. A 60-49 overtime win on Saturday night punched their ticket to the school's first ever state championship game. When they got back to Selma at 1 a.m., they were welcomed by the community celebrating in the center of town.
It's awesome just seeing them bounce back after winning semi-state and just seeing everybody outside when we got home.
It was amazing. I think it just goes to show how strong our community is and how together we are and how everybody cares a lot about each other.
There is something special still about Indiana high school basketball. To celebrate a basketball team, a homegrown basketball team in the middle of town that went through some devastating stuff was overwhelming, but also really special.
Wapahani's special run continues on March 30th as they try to finish their historic season with a state title victory in Gainbridge Fieldhouse. With the Raiders, I'm Alexa Ross.